A heavy downpour of rain pelted against my house. I suspected something was amiss, judging by the rancid stench quickly filling my house. The liquid was bizarre and dripped in an unusually sluggish and slimy manner. It was almost as if it was sticking to the house and oozing across every orifice like hot glue. Against my better judgment, I took a look outside to see what was out of the ordinary. When I peeked my head out the door, I discovered that it wasn't rain falling from the clouds. It was blood falling from a massive body. A body that spanned the length of almost the entire forest around my house. It was pinned against the many spires of trees, reaching for the heavens. Blood was oozing from an open wound in its massive belly. If it kept on pouring out at such an alarming rate, I feared it would soon flood the entire forest and wash my home away. The creature itself was an anomaly. I felt sick to my stomach just looking at it. What truly terrified me, however, was the thought of what kind of abomination could have possibly inflicted such a devastating injury upon something like the monstrous creature above me.